Today I am going to discuss about circumference of the circle. This is the exercise 20E chapter from mensuration. So first we will know about circumference. What is circumference? Circumference means perimeter of the circle. Circumference means perimeter of the circle. So perimeter means total boundary length. That means from here, if triangle will be started, then is total curve line, the total measurement of the curve line, that is the perimeter of the circle. So circumference I will denote it by C. Here from center to the curve line, that is called radius, that I denote by R. Radius, that is denoted by R, and this CD, this is the diameter. Diameter means diameter I will denote by D. So diameter equal to 2 into radius. 2 times radius. From here to here this is radius once, and from here to here this is the radius twice. So 2 into radius, that is diameter. So if radius we will find out from diameter, that is diameter by 2. Diameter by 2. Diameter by 2. That is radius. Now perimeter of the circle, that means circumference of the circle. Circumference equal to 2 into pi into r. Pi is the Greek letter. That is Greek letter, that value is constant, that is 22/7. The value of pi is 22/7. So 2 into pi r. R is the radius. If here we will make this formula by diameter, then circumference means C, 2 pi r. This is the formula of the circumference of the circle by using radius. And by using diameter, 2 into r, I will keep in one side, 2r into pi. So 2r means 2 into radius, that means d. So C equal to pi d. When diameter will be provided, then we can use this formula pi d. So this is the circumference of the circle. Now we will start exercise 20E. So come to the exercise. Question number 1 from exercise 20E. Here the question is, find the circumference of a circle of radius 15 cm. Take pi equal to 3.14. Pi value has been given already. So radius of the circle equal to 15 cm, that is given. 15 cm. Radius means R. I will denote it by R. So here what to find out? Circumference we have to find out. Circumference formula I will write first here. Circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r. Here we will put the value of pi and r. 3.14. Pi value has been given 3.14 and r value has been given, that is 15. 15 to the 30 into 3.14. By 3 we will multiply at first. 3 4s are 12. 1 0, that 0 will be put. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, that means 4. 3 3 is a 9. That 0 will be cancelled and the unit will be centimeter. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, that means 4. 3 3 is a 9. We will only put. Therefore the circumference is 94.2 centimeter. This is the answer. Now question number 3, number 2. That is 4.9 meter diameter is given. We have to find out the circumference. So here circumference diameter I will denote it by D. Diameter is 4.9 meter. Circumference formula I will put by diameter. That is pi d. Pi d. That is the formula of circumference. Now here I will put the value of pi, that is 22 by 7 into d value is 4.9. Then this point can be removed and I make here 10. Then 7 sevens are 49 and this is 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14 plus 1, that is 15 by 10. That means 15.4 meter. Therefore, the circumference is 15.4 meter. Now coming to question number 5. This is 3. Number 2 question answer is already completed. Now question number 5. Question is, find the diameter of the circle whose circumference is 63.8 meter given. So in this question circumference is already given. Circumference equal to 63.8 meter. Now here we have to find out the diameter. So circumference formula is, first I am taking here let diameter be d meter. So circumference formula is pi into d equal to 63.8. Now pi means 22 by 7 into d equal to 63.8. Now d will be single here and this 22 by 7 will be there. That side will go 63.8, that 7 will be multiplied with 63.8 and 22 will come down. Sorry, 22 this is. Now by 11 this can be cut. We can see 11 2 is 22, 11 5 is 55, then 88.8. Okay. Next by 2 it can be cut, 2 2s are 4.9. Now by 7 it can be multiplied. 20.3. Therefore diameter is 20.3 meter. Now coming to question number 6. The circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter. That means let diameter be x centimeter. Then circumference will be x plus 30, because here is given the circumference of a circle exceeds, that means circumference is extend the diameter by 30 centimeter. If the diameter will be x, then the circumference will be x plus 30. So it should be put into the formula. So circumference formula I am writing now. Circumference, then 2 pi r or pi d. Pi d we can put, we will not use here 2 pi r. Pi d, diameter means d. So here circumference is x plus 30 and pi is 22/7 into d is x. Now here this 7 will be multiplied with it, then this is 7x plus 7 3s are 21 and this is 22x. Now this will come in this side, so 7x minus 22x equal to minus 210. Now simple calculation, this is minus 15x and this is minus 210x. Subtraction sign should be cut. X equal to this one. 3 7s are 21, 0, 5 14s are 70. So x equal to 14. Now what to find out? Find the radius of the circle. So diameter is, therefore diameter is 14 centimeter. So radius will be, therefore the radius is 14/2, that means 7 centimeter. So here 7 centimeter is the answer. Now coming to question number 8. Question is, how long will a man take to make a round of a circular field of radius 21 meter, cycling at the speed of 8 km per hour? Here circular field, suppose this is circular field, round a circular field, that means the circumference, about the circumference here is telling. So this is, radius is 21 meter, that means this is 21 meter. Now cycling at the speed of 8 km per hour given. So here what to find out? Round of the circular field, that means circumference we have to find out. So after that we will find out the timing. Circumference, that radius I am writing first. Radius of the circular field is 21 meter. Circumference equal to 2 pi r, 2 into pi means 22/7 into r means 21. So 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6, then 6 2s are 12, 2 13. That is 132 meter. So this is the circumference. Then here speed is given. So 8 km equal to 8000 meter and 1 hour equal to 60 into 60, that means this is second. So I use here to find out the timing. So 8000 meter is 8000 meter distance covered in 60 into 60 second. Then 1 meter distance, by unitary method we will find out the time, divided by 8000, then 132 meter distance covered in 60 into 60 divided by 8000 into 132. Then these zeros can be cut, then by 8 by 8. By 4 we will cut it at first. By 4, 4 2 is 8, 0, 4 3 is 12, 4 3 is 12. Then by 2 is 10, this is 3. Then we will multiply it. That is 33 into 18 divided by 10. This is 59.4. 59.4 second. This is the answer. Therefore, the timing is required, is needed 59.4 second. So this is the answer, 59.4 second. Now coming to question number 10. Coming to question number 10. Now coming to question number 10. The inner circumference of a circular track is 330 meter. The track is 10.5 meter wide everywhere. 10.5 meter wide. Calculate the cost of the putting up a fence along the outer circle. Outer circle fence. Putting up a fence. That means circumference we have to find out. Outer circle circumference we have to find out. At the rate of rupees 20 per meter. So here inner circumference given. Inner circumference equal to 330 meter. This is R1 inner circle radius, R2 is the outer circle radius. Inner radius be R1 meter, outer radius be R2 meter. Now here we will find out, at last we will find out the outer circumference. That's why we need R2, that is not given here. So to find R2 we need R1. By using inner circumference we will find out R1. So let's find out it. Circumference equal to 330. Inner circumference, that is 2 pi R1 equal to 330. Then R1 equal to, okay, here I will put the value of pi, 2 into 22 by 7 into R1 equal to 330. That is R1 equal to 330 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. By 11 it can be cut. Then by 2, then by 2 this one, 2 3 is a 6.5. That means R1 equal to 15 5 is a 75, 7 carry, 15 3 is a 45 plus 7, that means 52.5. That is the inner radius. Now here the width of the track that is given. Width of the circular track equal to 10.5 meter. Now outer radius equal to inner radius, that means R1 plus this one, that means 52.5 plus 10.5. So it will be 63.0 meter. Now by using this outer radius we will find out the outer circumference. So outer circumference equal to 2 pi R2. Outer radius is R2. Two into 22/7 into 63. 7 9s are 63 and 22 into 18. This is the 396 is the outer circumference. Now what to find out? The cost. Total cost of fencing. Total cost of fencing the outer circle. Equal to 396 into 20. Rupees 20 equal to rupees 7,920 rupees. That is the answer.